equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on replacing the original screen of your Asus ROG laptop. Today, we'll walk you through the entire process, ensuring you have all the necessary tools and knowledge to complete this task successfully. First, let's gather the tools you'll need. 1. A Phillips screwdriver, size 00 is ideal. 2. A plastic spudger or prying tool. 3. A clean, static-free workspace. 4. A soft cloth to protect your laptop surface. 5. Replacement screen compatible with your Asus ROG model. Now, let's get started. Begin by powering off your laptop and unplugging it from any power source. It's crucial to ensure that there's no residual power in the device. If you're unsure about the process, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert advice before proceeding. Next, flip your laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location. Be mindful of the different sizes. It's best to keep them organized. Once the screws are removed, use your plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Start at one corner and work your way around, being cautious not to damage any clips. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. With the back panel removed, locate the battery connector. Disconnect it to prevent any accidental power on during the repair. This step is essential for your safety. Now, let's focus on the screen itself. You'll find screws around the screen bezel. Carefully remove these screws, and then use your spudger to detach the bezel from the screen. Take your time with this step to avoid cracking the bezel. Once the bezel is off, you'll see the screen is connected via a ribbon cable. Gently lift the screen and disconnect the cable. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. Now, take your new replacement screen and connect the ribbon cable. Ensure it's securely attached before proceeding. Carefully position the screen back into the frame, making sure it aligns properly. Reattach the bezel by pressing it back into place and securing it with the screws you previously removed. This step is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your laptop structure. Next, reconnect the battery and replace the back panel. Secure it with the screws, ensuring everything is tight and secure. It's important to double-check that no screws are left over, as this could lead to issues later on. Finally, power on your laptop to test the new screen. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the screen on your Asus ROG laptop. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know what to expect. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out for help. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.